Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video I'm going to mix it up a little bit and still do a tutorial, but this is not an automotive tutorial. This is a highly requested video that I've been avoiding for over a year now. This is something that I get asked all the time on Instagram, not so much on YouTube. Hey Faye, how to do your makeup like that? Your makeup, your hair, whatever. What's your everyday hair and makeup routine? So that's what this video is going to be about. And the counter to that, of course, is the questions that I get on YouTube. Oh my god, what does Faye look like without makeup? Oh my god, does it take you longer to like do your makeup in the morning than do an oil change? Well, now, today, you'll get the answer. So, without further ado, here goes. Tools you're going to need for this job: 2 bobby pins, 2 hair ties, a mirror so you can see what the hell you're doing. Just brown, any brown. This is like 99 cents. It's just regular brown. Oh, wait, it's brown smolder. A big brush and a little brush. Some black eyeshadow. I have no brand loyalty, really. Whatever I just pick out, that works fine. Black, black, black. An eye pencil. Blackest black. Jet black. And a pencil sharpener. I've had this for a million years. Liquid eyeliner of your choice. I just buy this because it's only $2. And I go through a lot of it, so great. And last but not least, some mascara. Very black. I don't even know if I have a kind that I like. I just always buy a different kind, whatever's on sale. Whoops! Or whatever looks good. So there we have it. Okay, I'm starting out with a blank slate, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is tackle this epic hair. So I've got 2 little bobby pins just to tie my bangs mostly out of my face, and for my super long dreadlocks, I'm just gonna braid them into 2 braids and then tie them, yes, in a knot on the back of my head. And complete this look with my safety glasses. Heck yeah. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, so I have my little teeny tiny brush and my brown eyeshadow. I'm in my mid-30s, so I have gray in my eyebrows, so this will make sure that none of you know. And can't guess my age, damn it! Sweet, now for my eyes. So I'm grabbing a larger brush with the same exact brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna smother this all over my eyelids. There's probably a much better way to do it. I was never taught that way. I think my mom like literally only wears mascara, if anything. She doesn't wear a lot of makeup, so I don't know. I just do this, and then I blend it with my fingers, kind of. Yeah, I'm just gonna struggle through this for a second, so. Yeah. Alright, one side done, kind of. Okay, and on to the other side. Equally as awkward and patchy and weird. But, you know, it works. It works for me. I've been doing this the same way since I was like 14, 15, something like that. So I can flat rate that shit by now. Next, I have my eye pencil. And if you're one of those people who is squeamish about seeing things close to the eye, do not watch this next part because I'm gonna put this all on my waterline. Super thick and dark. And then kind of seal it in with my black eyeshadow, which I put only underneath my eye. And it kind of helps that eye pencil sort of stay in place as well, kind of, a little bit. Cool, that looks even, right? Sure. Now is the hardest part. So I've got my super cheap liquid eyeliner, and the first side is super easy. Concentrate, Faye, concentrate, concentrate. Okay, kind of make a line there. All right, got it. Outline the eye and make my little wing. Alright, sweet. That one looks pretty good. Now the challenge is to make the other side match. Oh my god, I never look forward to this part. Come on, come on, come on, you can do it. So I'm gonna try my best to mirror the other side. It doesn't always work that way. What I usually do is try my best to make one side a little bit smaller so that I can match the wing size at the end, you know? And as you can see right now, I did one that was a little bit longer than the other. That always happens. And now I'm just gonna go and even them out and make them as close to even as possible. But you know what? They're never gonna be even. My face isn't even. Your face is not even. So whatever. Stop pointing it out. Lastly, I'm just gonna put some mascara on, just a little bit. And then, all right, cool. I'm done. That's it. Oh, right. Well, I hope that answered all of your questions. Oh, wait a second, actually. One of them it probably won't, and that is how long. So I actually filmed this into little snippets because my phone overheated halfway through. So the first video before I sped them up to relieve you of some boredom was a little over 8 minutes long, and the second portion was a little under 5 minutes long. So let's be reasonable and round it up to about 15 minutes, right? And what's funny is, does that take me longer than an oil change? For those of you who have worked with me before, my former coworkers, I know some of you watch my videos, you know then that this is a little bit of a joke because it takes me so freaking long to do an oil change and a full inspection. It's like a huge joke that like Faye is so freaking slow doing inspections and oil changes that yeah, you know, even if this makeup tutorial took me like an hour, even if my everyday routine took me like a freaking hour, it would still be shorter than my oil change and inspection, okay? So, hope that answers that for you. All the products that I use can be found at your local grocery store for a few dollars or less. I use nothing fancy in this video. Actually, I think the most expensive thing that I use is this mascara, which I don't use a lot of, and which takes me, I don't know, months and months and months and months to use up. I can't remember the last time that I bought one of these, and I think this is like $5 or maybe $6. I don't know. The other thing that I cannot speak for are these brushes, which my mom gave to me. Thanks, Mom. They came in a multi-pack. I just use these two exclusively. But there was like, I don't know, 5 or 6 of them that came in the multi-pack. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope that answers your questions. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And now I'll never have to address this question again. Whew! Actually, I have a feeling that I am going to have to address this question again for the other lovely lady that works at this shop, Miss Daisy. I'm sure a lot of you are wondering how she achieves this look with this gorgeous do. I mean, that's just, how do you do it? How do you do it? You're just always so beautiful.
Oh, that explains it. She has help.
Alright guys, bye!